third wheeling back here on this romantic day.
It's not very romantic. Braxton's not impressed so far, he said.
I know. Braxton has to see some pyrotechnics. What is that the word?
Some fireworks.
Some fireworks.
Drones.
Oh, this is cute.
The Christmas trail. I'm gonna wait until we get to like.
Yeah, can we walk back through if we wanted to? Since we're at the park?
I don't know.
Like just to take some pictures? I'm pretty sure I saw them. Just walk right past one. Oh, this is nice.
Look at the penguin.
Oh, he's so cold. Look how cold he is.
It looks so weird. Oh, they have Olaf, Goldie. Oh my gosh, I'm gonna have to get a picture by Olaf.
Have a picture of Olaf.
But that's the end of the trail, so we'll do.
Oh, love it. Looks like there's more.
Yeah, we gotta go through here.
Oh, it looks like there's. Oh, yeah, we come back around the Olaf.
This is a long trail.
Oh, they have spin too.
Oh, they do, the little.
Spin.
Oh, they have the Olaf over there too.
Keep straight ahead.
This is pretty good.
Walk over anyone. Because we're not
I
insured.
just thought they were going to cover the forest.
They were gonna cover the forest?
That's what I thought.
Like put lights in every
Yeah, they
section.
could have went crazy with this.
They could have. Oh, that's the little one they used for the Halloween. That little green guy.
Who is that? Is that Jack Skellington as a snowman?
Yeah, it is. Jack
Oh,
Skellington.
Oliver would have loved this. I'm gonna have to show him this video.
And then the little green guy they used at Halloween.
I like him.
They were like, let's just throw whatever we can out there. Whatever we got in the
Oh,
maintenance
Jack
closet.
Skeleton as Santa.
Old bulb.
That's the green guy. What do they call him? What do they call him, babe?
Isn't that like the man of the swamp?
That's that guy. He's like, Old Greg. Old Greg. It's Old Greg. That is so funny.
I was just gonna let
I would have never seen. Oh yeah.
right on my back.
I know. I like to let people
I know, I
skip
like to
too.
kind of take a second and slow her down a little. We paid $5 to be here. I'm gonna get my $5 out of it.
Hey, this is really kind of worth it,
Yeah, it
actually,
definitely
because
is. I
it's
thought
really
that
deep.
It's just gonna be that stuff at the front. Ho, ho, ho! You're a hoe. I thought these would be really good snippets.
Look, Goldie, this is from that one movie,
Oh my God, that
Christmas
sexy
Story.
leg lamp.
It's the Christmas Story, isn't
I
it?
want that sexy leg lamp so bad, the real one. What are those things called?
There's the Christmas Story boy.
Oh gosh, they should have had him licking a pole. He's fine.
Candy canes. Merry Grinchmas. Oh, it's snow.
It's a foam.
That is so cool, actually. Oliver would have loved that. It smells like,
You want to take a picture with me yet?
Braxton, it smells like candy canes. The Grinch. Goldie, it smelled like candy canes.
Oh, they probably put like some pepper. Oh God, think about that landing in your eyeball. You're really testing the limits on this trail. They got Candyland out here. They got it all.
I got foam on my shoe.
Jackson's like, how much longer, Mom? I'm cold. I am too. Where's the whiskey when you need it?
We don't have any.
I know. Alcoholics coming out with all these kids around. Yeah, baby. My mama needs it.
Look at the lights in the trees, Goldie.
Oh, how magical.
That is so cool. Look at that. Ooh. And then the blue one. Christmas to you.
Teenagers suck.
Oh, the Charlie Brown Christmas tree. That reminds me of your sisters. Right there. There's a tree. That one's really not so bright. I think this one's going out.
Don't worry, we take for him to buy a new one. Oh, I've got time to go.
The ice stripping on the trees up here.
Oh, that's so cute. That thing comes out. Oh, Oliver would have loved that. He wants one of those.
I can't find one. They're all sold out.
Watch out, Liz.
Did you order one last
Sorry,
I
y'all.
couldn't find any Jack in the Boxes.
No,
Maybe if I go to Cracker Barrel tomorrow.
I forgot about that. We went to Cracker Barrel last night, but I didn't go look around.
Yeah, love can't look in Cracker Barrel gift shop or she'll walk away with too much.
That's what Braxton
You're like,
said.
oh God, trinkets, Braxton. More trinkets.
This is so cool, actually. Goldie.
Aren't we having the most romantic evening?
We're having
I'm
such
third
a
wheeling.
romantic.
I'm loving it.
We aren't really on a date. We're on a adventure.
We're on a family excursion.
We're on what I want to do. And you. Oh, the lighting though is beautiful on my
let me
face.
get one of just myself. So mysterious. Let me get up in there. I'm gonna turn off my flash for a second.
That is so cool.
Oh, people can't move in a port.
It's so joyous. I feel like I'm in the spirit already. You brought the Grinch down to Whoville and I'm actually feeling it.
Oh, look at those lights.
One already burnt out. They've had a long month. And right down there is the Outcast. Dang, I didn't know there was this much of a walkway back here. I've never ventured on this side of Grand Creek. Oh, they got a baby too.
Yeah, a little baby one.
Bryce, you can take a picture of me and you in front of the Olaf. I'll take one of you guys to do it together, but I want to. One already burnt out. They've had a long month. And right down there is the Outcast, used and abused.